Hello everyone. This is the project of the spaceship modular spaceship 12. As you can see, this one is a fighter plane. Actually, it's a fighter spaceship. So it's like I did it with the black and red combination. And as you can see here, these are the guns, and also it has a small cockpit and some some missiles are there. So it's well equipped for a small craft. I mean, the pilot may be one, some sort of one person is the pilot. So it's like it's the fighter squadron of the biggest spaceship. The main goal is to protect the mothership or something like that. So as you can see, the all the parts are separated like the previous. All the parts are separated. Very simple and straightforward, and it's got three engines, by the way. So 1, 2 and 3. So it's like middle one is the engine and this 2 is the engine. So it's like 3 engine. It's got a 3 thruster, and also some sort of 4, 4, 8, and quite a bit number of the missile, as you can see from the bottom side and also from the top side. So as usual, the spaceship got 5 variant. So it's like, as you can see, it's like 1 variant, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's like you can manage your you can see this is the double wing option. So as you can see here, so yes, you can use the parts, the component of the spaceship according to your preference, by the way. So yeah, this is spaceship 12 from the substance, and I will come back with the Unity. Okay, so Unity workflow. So please keep watching. Hello guys, this one you see from the Unity, by the way. So as you can see here, from the back side and from the front side. So this is the file actually from the Unity HDRP, by the way, as usual. So like the previous one, I have the the FBX file there. So all 5 spaceship is there, and here is the spaceship. Okay, this one is the texture. This one is the texture. So all the textures are 4K and non-compressed actually. So they are 4K and non-compressed. Also, you have to see the the prefab and also the materials. Yes, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 materials, by the way. 5 materials, and it's got the prefab. So it's like you have the 5 spaceship, so 5 prefab is there. 5 prefab is there, and so what you can do is you can drag and drop any spaceship in here. So you have the option, you have the flexibility to you can drag and drop anyone to the scene. So here is the scene. If I maximize, you can see the scene. It's like a space environment, and as you can see from the back side, from this side, yeah. So this project, as usual, you can use it as a component of the, the unit of any space project, any space ship project. So it's like it's coming with the 5 variant. You can purchase it individually, so you can get the 5 variant, or what you can do, you can purchase the full set, which is the 30 spaceship. It's a mega collection, it's a gigantic collection. So only 12 is ready by now, but my intention is to prepare a 30 collection of the spaceship. It's a gigantic process, and it's actually not 30. Every variant, every spaceship got a 5 variant, so it's like a huge. Okay, so it's like all the 5 component. I mean all the modular components are in one section. So these 5 variants are actually made up with the modular pack. So yeah. So if you wanna see the wireframe, I just go to the shaded wireframe. Here, as you can see, very simple, very simple. It's very simple wireframe based. You can see the wireframe position, wireframe condition. Yeah, very simple. Okay, it's looking like that, like a cartoon, by the way. It's a cartoon effect, by the way. Yeah. So that is the condition of the wireframe. I think it's okay and game ready, by the way. So yeah, you just need to import it in your project. That's it. Okay. So this is the second part completed. I will come back the third part and the last part, which is the same project in Unreal Engine. Okay. So see you there. Thank you. Hello everyone. So this is the third part of the Modular Spaceship 12 project. So as you can see here, uh, the same 5 variant of the 12 spaceship. So it's very simple. Just this is the FBX file, and here is the map. I mean the level, or the actual spaceship map is there. So this is the texture. So as you can see, the texture is 4K, and here are the materials. The correspondent materials are there. So yeah, very simple thing. So here is, but it's the back side, and this is set in the daylight view, actually, by the way. It's like, but you can see the emissive light. I mean the engine light is the effect is working so good. I mean in the bottom view, as you can see here, from the bottom view and from the top view, from this side, this angle. So if I just go to the maximize, so I used the post-processing effect. So the bloom effect is actually brightening this engine light, by the way. So yeah, so it's from the top side, from the bottom side. It's looking similar like a fighter plane, actually. So it's like, yeah, 5 variants there. So Unreal users also can modify this project and come up with their version, come up with their you can use it any way. I mean, which way you like to do the project. So you can use it according to your need, actually. So yeah, so this concludes the I mean the project, the spaceship, the modular spaceship 12 project. This is the conclusion part. So if you need this one, you just go to my asset store, which is in OpuArt, and in the CG Trader, you can find me in Turbo Squid and also the Render Hub. Okay, and also you can DM me through my Facebook page, and also through my through my um, I mean YouTube. Okay, so yeah, so this is the last part, and I will come back with another project, another exciting project, which is maybe a spaceship 13 or so, and also maybe, who knows, some else, some other projects, no problem. So keep in touch with OpuR. Thank you very much.